right in the, I'm going to draw a line in the middle. These are our base units. I already listed these: gram for weight, meter for length, and liter for volume. Liter. So going to the right, and this is on your, should be on your formula sheet too, a little chart like this. To the right, we have deci, which means 1/10 of 1. So if we say 1 gram, a decigram is 1/10 of a gram. Centi is the next abbreviation. So centigram, centimeter, centiliter is 1/100th. And milli, or milla, is 1/1000th. So when we say milligram, that's 1/1000th of a gram. Millimeter, milliliter. So milli is a pretty common one. Centi is pretty common. Centigram, centimeter, centiliter. Deci is not used quite as often. And then going to the left, you could think of them as the bigger prefixes. Deca means 10. So, so we're going bigger now. Hecto is 100, and kilo is like 1,000. So a kilogram is 1,000 grams. So there's a really easy way to do these using this chart. Let's do 3.5 grams. Okay. Now you can use, there's some equivalencies on your sheet with the equal signs like the other problems we were doing. So you can do them like that, but this, using this little chart makes it easier. And also using a little common sense. Think about 3.5 grams. If we want to go to milligrams, okay, should there be more or less? Because a milligram is a really small thing, so we should have more milligrams than grams. So notice, if we start at grams, I'm putting a little dot here, and I go 1, 2, 3 places to get to milligrams. That means my decimal place is going to go 1, 2, 3, and I would get 3,500 milligrams. Okay. Let's do the same thing, but let's go to kilograms. Okay, so again, if I start with 3.5, my decimal place is between the 3 and the 5. To go from grams to kilograms, 3.5 grams to kilograms, I'm going 3 actually to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 0.0035 kilograms. Okay. Or how about when I have 22 milliliters? So now I'm starting all the way to the right, and I want to get liters. So 22 milliliters, my decimal would be to the right of the second 2. If I want to get back to the base of liters, I need to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 0.022 liters. Okay, or how about half a kilometer? How many meters would that be? So let me rewrite this as 0.5 so it's in decimal form. So going from kilometer to meter, I have to go 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right. So that'd be 500. Okay, so hopefully kind of get the picture. Well, let's do a centimeter one. Centi, that's a pretty common one too. 12 centimeters. Let's say I want that to millimeters. 12 centimeters is how many millimeters? So if I have my decimal place right after the 12, going from centi to milli, I go 1 to the right. Just 1. So 120. Okay, and then the last thing I'll say, deca and deci, the abbreviations. Usually I think it's D lowercase c for deci, DK is for deca. So I think you get that in one of the getting started, but just in case you're getting confused with those. You're not going to see the deca, deci, hecto too often, but you might come across it with a couple problems.